Want to make your Kvcore email campaigns feel less like generic blasts and more like personalized conversations that actually convert? Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Kvcore email drip tokens to personalize your automated email campaigns and skyrocket your engagement. First, navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section in Kvcore. This is where you'll find your campaigns and can start crafting your personalized email sequences. We'll assume you already have a campaign or are creating a new one. Now, let's open up an email within your campaign. See this text box. This is where the magic happens. To insert a token, simply type a left curly brace. Kvcore will then present you with a list of available tokens. These tokens represent specific information about your leads. You'll see options like first name, last name, email, property address, and more. Select the token you want to use. For example, let first them will insert the lead's first name. Sprinkle these tokens throughout your email copy to create a truly personalized message. Imagine an email that starts with "Hi, lead first name," then mentions a property in their desired city, lead city, and ends with your contact information. This feels way more personal than a generic email. Once you've added your tokens, be sure to save your email template. Kvcore will automatically replace these tokens with the appropriate lead information when the email is sent. By using Kvcore email drip tokens, you're crafting a personalized experience for each lead, improving engagement and response rates. It's a simple step that can make a huge difference in your email marketing results. Now, go out there and create some killer personalized campaigns.